we go. Let me get out of this crappy weather and over to California. It's supposed to get even worse here. It'll be in the 70s where I'm going. Oh god, it's a max 8. That's not good. Look at those skies. Yeah. Quite pleasant. Let's go find a rental car. It's so warm here. J28. This is my ride. Malibu. Neat. 25 miles, still an hour to go. This is crazy. Stopping by the office to say hi to whoever's still there. It's pretty late in the day. Check out the facility and just kind of hang out. And then tomorrow morning we'll be driving down to San Diego for the Fun Fly. Alright, well, I went ahead and stopped by the office again this morning and just met some of the guys I didn't meet last night and hang out a little bit, and picked up some materials and a radio to have at the event because I didn't bring one. And now I'm going to drive down to San Diego. So I will see you there. That looks right. Right over there. Got my windows down in February. That's crazy. It's like in the negatives right now at home. There it is. Palomar. I know that's Chris's camper and his trailer. I'm gonna park right here. Ugh. That wasn't too bad. See you in there? Nope. See up here? Hey, buddy.
How fucking getting so fast?
Wasn't that much traffic, man.
It took you long enough.
Yeah.
Okay, we're on his vlog now, so.
Oh, awesome. We're gonna be famous.
Hi.
Yeah.
I'm like over here ranting about the
Satinder,
road.
Chris.
Yep.
How long is Robert gonna be?
I don't know.
Tell him to hurry up. Man, this is nice. Dang, they got the setup here. Look at all this. This is sick. Alright, well, they get their cones figured out. So I'm gonna get my demo radio. And then I guess we're gonna fly M2s.
I'm gonna crash, dude.
Good. I'll get it on video.
I'll have to fix it tonight, so at least get it done. I'll go to
We have time to fix it, break it, and fix it before the event starts.
parts.
Look at that. It's a new V control. It's a different shape. That's hilarious. It's pretty nice.
Crack it open and then fly.
Look at that.
We can break.
What's going on? Oh. I guess they decided now is a good time to do that.
It's 8 o'clock at night. It's completely unnecessary.
This is like
It looked clean to me.
That's
Alright, we got Crash King.
Keep going that
yeah,
side.
that's the problem.
You should never hold a light torch. Sure, rule of thumb is
You're right. It's like too much. I was gonna go for the overseas.
Oop. Womp womp.
That was cool. Were you getting on video?
I did.
I think you got it.
I got it. Hey, at least you didn't have the ultimates on it.
Yeah, exactly. That is why I went to these blades, and now you.
Tail blades right there.
Are they?
Yeah, they look fine.
They look good.
So just probably just main blades.
Wow. That's the booming.
Was the boom blade?
Almost at it.
Almost. I
Main
was
shaft.
on a lower, medium head speed.
Yeah, I think that's what
I needed some more collecting management or some head speed to pull through that. But,
Dude, now I'm too scared.
oh, whatever, dude.
Just don't do that.
Don't do that.
He actually giggles when he crashes. All right, well.
No, there it is. What do you mean boo? That was great.
It smells like hot grass in here. It's funny.
Whoa, it does. What?
This just smells like hot grass.
It's weird.